Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss one important problem of mathematics which is from the topic algebra. So before starting the discussion, I want to tell you if you want to get more important problems you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link is also available in our description box. Okay. So you have to visit education-adda.com, then you go to menu. After menu, you go to academics adda, and in that you will get math important questions. Okay. So you can visit the site and take benefits. So going to the problem, here what is said, we have to factor the following algebraic expression. Okay. So it is given 2y to the power 6z minus y to the power 4z to the power 10 plus 3y square z square. So we will solve one by one. So coming to the question number 3, it is given 2y raised to the power 6z minus y raised to the power 4z raised to the power 10 plus 3y raised to the power 2 and z raised to the power 2. Okay. So if we see these all three these all three expressions, okay, this has common as y square z, which is the HCF of all these three expressions. Okay, so from each term we will factor out y square z. So we will factor out y square z, then we will get after simplification 2y raised to the power 4 minus y square z to the power 9 plus 3z. Now we will discuss next problem. See, here we have to find the factors. Given expression is w square into 1 plus w square into 8w minus 1 raised to the power 10 plus 9w into 1 plus w square raised to the power 4 and 8w minus 1 raised to the power 7. So if we see, we have two terms. This is one term and this is second term. So if we see both the terms, we can see that w square and w, we can get w common in both the terms. Then again 1 plus w square is here and here it is 1 plus w square raised to the power 4. So HCF will be 1 plus w square, or we can factor out 1 plus w square from both the terms. Now we can see this also contains 8w minus 1 raised to the power 10, and this term contains 8w minus 1 raised to the power 7. So we will take this because the 7 is smaller than 10. So HCF will be 8w minus 1 raised to the power 7. So we will factor out 8w minus 1 raised to the power 7, and we will get inside the bracket w into 8w minus 1 to the power 3 plus 9 into 1 plus w square raised to the power 3. Okay. Now we can write this as w into 1 plus w square into 8w minus 1 raised to the power 7. Now what is inside the square bracket, that we can break down. So we have to apply, see, if we see 8w minus 1 whole cube, this is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So this we can simplify as a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, this is standard formula of a minus b whole cube. So after applying that, we will get w into 512 w to the raised to the power 3 minus 1 minus 192 w square plus 24w plus 9. Then here it is 1 plus w square raised to the power 3. So we can apply the formula a plus b whole cube. So we will get a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So applying that formula, we will get plus 9 into 1 plus w square to the power 3. So it will be w to the power 6 plus 3w square plus 3w to the power 4. Okay. So now we can simplify this expression, and after expanding we will get what is inside this square bracket as 512 w raised to the power 4 minus w. This we are getting just by multiplying this with this term. then w with minus 1. So minus w, then this into w. So it will be minus 192 w raised to the power 3 plus 24 w square plus 9 plus 9 w raised to the power 6 plus 27 w raised to the power 2 plus 27 w raised to the power 4. So after simplifying, we will get w into w square plus 1 into 8w minus 1 raised to the power 7 into 9w to the power 6 plus 539 w to the power 4 minus 192 w raised to the power 3 plus 51 w square minus w plus 9. So these are the required factors. Okay. Next problem is 6t raised to the power 3 plus 3t to the power 4 minus 2t to the power 5 minus t to the power 6. Okay. So rearranging and writing the terms in terms of decreasing power. Okay. Decreasing order we have written. So we will get minus t to the power 6 minus 2t to the power 5 plus 3t to the power 4 plus 6t cube, taking minus t raised to the power 3, because HCF of all these four terms will be minus t to the power 3. So we are factoring out minus t raised to the power 3, then we will get t raised to the power 3 plus 2t square minus 3t minus 6. And the factors will be, see again, this you can see minus 2t square and t cube. We can take t square as common, so we can factor out t square. So it can be written as minus t cube into t square into t plus 2, and from minus 3t minus 6 we can factor out minus 3. So when we take out minus 3 as common, we will get t plus 2. Okay. So it can be written as minus t cube into t plus 2 into t square minus 3. Again t square minus 3, it can be written as, see, we can apply the formula a square minus b square. Okay, that is t square minus root 3 whole square. Okay, so applying that formula, we will get minus t cube into t plus 2 t plus root 3 into t minus root 3. So this is our factors. Okay. Then next problem is t square plus 11t plus 24. Okay, we have to find the factors of this expression. So see, what we can do, this is of a quadratic equation which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so this can be written as ax square plus px plus qx plus c, such that px plus q equal to px plus q equal to px plus q equal to b, that is this middle term coefficient of t. Okay, so this is b and px plus q, and p into q, that is coefficient of x square and constant term, it will be equal to a into c. Okay, p into q will be equal to coefficient of x square into constant term c. Okay, so using that formula, we have written it as t square plus 3t plus 8t, okay, plus 24. Here we can check 3 plus 8 is 11, and 24 into 1 equal to 8 into 3, that is 24. Okay, so now from t square plus 3t, we can factor out t. Okay, so after taking factor t, it can be written as t plus 3, and from 8t plus 24, 8 can be factored out and plus 8 into t plus 3. So it can be written as t plus 3 into t plus 8. Okay friends, so this is our required factors. So we have discussed one important problem of algebra, and to get more important problems, you can visit our playlist. You can get the link in our description box also. Playlist is titled as Math Important Questions in English. Okay friends, thank you.